Okay, guys. First things first. Need to go ahead and tell you this. This is after post the event and everything. So this is just yeah. Everything did not go the way I wanted to go at all. I honestly thought that I wasn't going to make it to the track. Yeah. Just let me explain. All types of stuff was going on. My car wouldn't start. I I couldn't get the part that I needed. I don't know, a bunch of stuff. And like when I say barely, I'm talking about I barely made it to the staging lane. So this video is gonna be kind of all over the place. So please forgive me, and I want to say sorry to everybody that wanted to go but couldn't go because I told them I couldn't go, and because this I was having car problems. But yeah, I know a lot of people wanted to watch me, but I literally only could do one run, and I didn't want people to drive all the way out there just to see me do one run. So it's like, what's the point in that? But I got that one run in. Yeah, you just gonna have to see for yourself. So stay tuned. Let's go to the track.
Many hours later.
And we at the track.
Boy, has it been an eventful night.
Like, when I say we barely made it, my fuel pump went out in the 1998 Mach 1. And how long did it take you to replace it, me and Aaron?
An hour and 4 minutes.
Yeah, and that was because that one stupid plug. Dude, all these cars are ridiculous.
That's a wagon.
I know.
Fine, Ford Mustang and Chevy coming up.
A Mustang and an Is that a motorhome?
Probably. But unfortunately, I can't race the Fox body because I needed to pay twice. And I was like, no. But I put this one down first because the reason why I was going to the track in the first place was to race this. That's a 4i notchback. Sounding like that. And the CTS one. Crazy. And we back right here again. Now this is the end of the video, so I'm pretty sure most of y'all was just probably like, well, this video was kind of everywhere, because it was. But I will say this, I am pretty excited with the time. And this right here is our time. 13.7 at 102. Here's the rest of the results. Now, for a guy that haven't been at the racetrack for maybe 3 years, on this setup for the first time, only having one run against a built 5.0, not bad. Not bad at all. I'm pretty excited. My reaction time was, what is it? Yeah. So that's pretty amazing. But he did get me on that 1/8 of a mile. So it would have been a close race, or it was a close race. But still, I think he got the 2017, I want to say 2017 5.0 versus a 2004 motor Mach 1 4.6 that I built myself. I think I did pretty good. Yeah. I'm proud of that car. I'm also proud of this car, but I couldn't race that car because they said that I can only race one car because the time limit I got down there like around 9:10. So they was closing. They closed at 10 and they stopped taking in cars around 9:30. So yeah, I was rushing. But it was a whole fiasco. Washed the car earlier that morning and didn't think anything about it until I was getting ready to go. Once I got ready to go, tried to crank it up, wouldn't crank. It was some with the fuel. That's all I knew. And then my girlfriend helped me with the process and the steps and all that crap, and it ended up being the fuel pump. Hey, Night. Hey, Nala. You want to be in a video? Okay. Now. Yeah. But yeah, guys. I don't even remember where I was at. I just know that we was rushing to get out there. We were supposed to get out there like at 6 o'clock. Sit kind of a little bit and let my car cool down. No, it did not happen. We ended up finally getting the part, and we got it done in like an hour and 4 minutes. So pretty nice. Did not think I was going to get it done and still go to the track, so I was pretty happy. Too bad this is the last of the season, so I have to wait until next year before they have another testing tune to actually test out my car. So yeah. This was the only pass I could do, so I mean, I'm pretty happy with it. I would wish that I can run it again so I can try, maybe, because I left that at idle. Maybe if I idle up and left it, I probably would have made a better 60 foot. I'm not sure, but oh well, gotta wait until next year. But yeah, guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you get notifications, because I'm planning on making some more videos, like more good videos, since now, you know, I got my own place and trying to figure out stuff, so I got time to make more videos. So until then, I see you guys in the next video.